On. Okay, now this is a very important problem and this is for 3 marks. Find the vertices of triangle PQR are P is 2, 1, 2 is minus 2, 3 and R is 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Let's first draw the triangle PQR indicating the points. P is 2, 1. Q is minus 2, 3. R is 4, 5. You want to find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Draw the median through the vertex R. This is vertex R. And draw the median. The median drawn through which vertex? Vertex R. Let it meet the opposite side PQ at S at midpoint of PQ. You know, that is the characteristic of the median. A median drawn from any opposite vertex meets the opposite side at its midpoint. What is the definition of median? It is meeting the opposite side at the midpoint. So what is S in this case? S is the midpoint of P and Q. You know how to find the midpoint of a straight line. The formula to find the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So taking this as x1 y1, taking this as x2 by 2, we shall find out the coordinates of S, which happens to be the midpoint. Now you want to find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Once you know the coordinate of S, you already know the coordinate of R. That means you now know 2 points on the line. So using 2 points forum, you can find the equation of the median. So in any problem on finding the equation of the median, you have to first find the midpoint of the opposite side through which the median is drawn. So now draw the median. Draw the median RS. RS where S is the midpoint. Where S is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, S equals midpoint of PQ. Shall I write the midpoint formula or directly use the values? Okay, we will write down x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal to, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So 2 plus minus 2 by 2, 1 plus 3 over 2, correct? Now what is 2 plus minus 2 by 2? 0. This becomes 0. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 2 is, so what is the coordinate of this? This is 0, 1. This is 0, 1. Now the equation of the median RS is given by 2-point formula. 2-point forum or formula. What is the formula? Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now you identify the points. What are x1 comma y1? 4, 5. And what is x2 comma y2? How much? What is x2 comma y2? 0, 2, because you are finding the equation of RS. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So now you substitute the values. So this implies y minus 5 divided by, look at the value of y1. y1 is 5. Y minus 5 divided by x minus 4 equals y2 minus y1. 2 minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1. 0 minus 4. So that is 2 minus 5 is minus 3 by minus 4. That is 3 by 4. So you have to multiply y minus 5 by 4. I am cross multiplying. 4 into y minus 5 equals 3 into x minus 4, or 4y minus 20 equals 3x minus 12, and finally you write the equation of the straight line. The equation of the straight line is 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. How did we find the equation of the median of a triangle? First we used midpoint formula to find the two ends of the midpoint. One end of the midpoint is already given in the problem. The other end of the median is found by using midpoint formula. After that, what do? You will use 2-point formula to find the equation of the median. Okay.